I thought going into this program early would help me get a head start for a better career path. I say do it. It's going to be hard at first because it's way faster paced than public school, and they do put a lot of pressure that you have to compose yourself in a mature manner. But at the end of the day, it's going to be worth it, and you're going to absolutely love it.
I like hands-on learning because you never stop learning anything, and we're always proactive working with customers or on independent projects, and I feel like that's going to be very important to apply it later on in life.
So graphic communications is a 2-year survey class where students are introduced to all aspects of the graphics industry. We spend about half of our time working in Adobe Creative Suite software, where we work in Photoshop and Illustrator and InDesign.
The Career Center really has opened up a lot of opportunities for me that I originally would not have had with just a regular high school education.
It is fast-paced, but you always are able to ask the teacher for help. He's always willing to come and make sure that you know what you're doing.
They can obviously enter the workforce in entry-level graphic design, advertising design, printing processes, offset printing, screen printing, and photography. If you're someone who likes to do illustrations or develop products or work hands-on in that artistic application, it's a great opportunity to see how that fits into the graphics industry and become a potential employee.
The teachers here are here to help you find your path.